Hey, Captain Tony here from Marine Rescue Coeur d'Alene. We've got an exciting update to our boat. We wanted to have some underwater lights added to our response vessel that would have a lot of intensity and anti-fouling agent, something heavy duty, so that we wouldn't have to pull the boat out and work on them. And we needed 100% durability. So we reached out to Metro Marine Lighting and talked to Michael there, and he set us up with a wonderful setup. I'm going to explain it to you here. We're going to unbox it real quick and see what we have inside here. So they sent us a nice schematic, picture of our boat, how to set it up. We're going to go with two high intensity whites, and they've put the FHB-4 MC3 hub in with it, which will be connecting the lights to, and we're going to hook two fixtures up to it, but it has the ability to hook up two additional fixtures should we want to do that. So we're going to unbox this and take a look. So it looks like we've got one of the fixtures here. Wow, that's heavier than I thought it would be. Nicely boxed. You can see we have a template inside the box that we'll probably be working with here. Let's take a look at the light. Excited to see this. So Metro Marine underwater lighting. And wow, this feels like a sturdy fixture. Solid bronze or brass alloy. And its connector. Wow, you can feel the heft of this light. I'm excited to see it underwater. That's great. So that's the lighting fixture. We'll get back to that. And let's take a look at the hub. So, wow, very nicely packaged. I feel like I'm getting a piece of art here. Okay, so there's the FHB hub. And as I said, it's got multiple inputs. We're going to be using fixture 1 and 2. It's got a power that you hook up to 24 power. And it's got a remote switch, which has a small pigtail. I don't have it in front of me right now, but we'll get it in part 2 here. And this will hook up to 24-hour power. So we'll get this unboxed. We'll start doing some layout, which will probably take a little bit of time. We want to make sure when we drill our holes that they're precise, and then we'll mount the fixtures, and we'll get back to you.